What is up, guys? It is the Big Man Bassin. We are here at Big Boys. I'm actually working today, but I'm taking this moment to let you guys know we're doing a video. Today, me and the boss, we're going fishing. We're going just a little bit north of here, going that way. We're going to be targeting some really cool fish that are inshore right now up in the Charlotte Harbor area. We're going to be fishing from land. Oh, big shocker. Trust me, there'll be some boat videos soon, but as of right now, we're land-based, as always, because that's how I grew up fishing, and that's how a lot of you guys that are watching are trying to figure out how to fish Cape, Fort Myers, Golden Gate, Port Charlotte, Punta Gorda, the whole Southwest Florida area. So, a lot of you guys are land-based guys having fun, and I'm going to show you guys today, hopefully, fingers crossed, a great spot in the future to go catch some really cool fish, especially late April, early May. So, got some gear behind me we're going to go over. I'll see you guys in a second. So, first thing off rip, let's talk about terminal tackle. So, we got some leader coming in today. We'll be using some AFCO 30 and 40 pound, strictly because some of these fish are a little bit bigger for saltwater. I know we do a lot of freshwater fishing videos, but when you're in saltwater, you want to have that extra strength, especially for some of these big fish that are out there this time of year. So we got some 30 pound AFCO, and we got some 40 pound AFCO. Both of these solid leader options for what we're trying to do today. And for fluorocarbon, it's not too ridiculously expensive. We're also going to move on to this. We got our vector hooks. You guys hear me talk about this in most of my videos. Now, I'm a bass guy. I like using J hooks, but for today, we're using circle hooks. We have a nice 2, 1, and 4/0 option. Shrimp, your pinfish, and then for our crabs, I'm running a 4/0. Really cool little presentation this way, because we're gonna have rods laid out, baits out at different lengths, floating different ways, and I won't be there to set the hook. So, unless I'm holding it in my hand, but with circle hooks, you don't set the hook, it sets it for you with pressure. So, hopefully, good hookup ratio today, and you guys won't see me try to set hook like I'm a bass angler, because everyone who fishes with me, and I use circle hooks, always looks at me when we get that bite, because I notoriously try to set the hook. So, hopefully I don't go full Guggen today, and we catch some good fish. And then we're going to move on to our hammerhead tackle popping corks. These, great popping corks, good performance, all around a great little thing, some funny humor on the back, but we're going to be using this simply just to float our baits out, as well as give it that nice little rattle noise that popping corks are known for. Along the Gulf Coast especially, these are great little rigs, not only just to float your bait out, but if you're using live bait and they're schooling fish, you're going to have that option to make a little bit more noise to get those fish to come over and check it out. It's designed to sound like commotion, a fish strike, however it's explained. What it does is it draws those fish in, and hopefully, a good chunk of those on that list right there, or we're going to come by and eat it today. So, let's get over to our rods. We're not even out here a few minutes and you're already hooked up. No, is he? No, he's just running back. We'll grab the drop net. We're here literally 2 minutes and Fred's already hooked up. I'm burning my bait back in. Get the drop net. Fuck it. Here's it right there, bud. You guys are seeing me run for the first time. Oh, there's one on it. This would be the quickest fucking trip. I'm ready when he comes by. Dude, even the one tailing it's big. I don't want to get in your way if he runs again. Holy shit.
Get that down there, buddy. You gotta get this spot.
He's going right. Wow, these glasses make this really easy to watch.
Fucking right on after this.
I think I need a bigger drop net. Holy Cobia.
Huh?
I said, holy Cobia.
Big fucking, that's a keeper right there, buddy.
Come on, go into the net, bud. Don't be afraid of the net. The net's your friend. The net's going to protect you from any sharks that come after you. Fuck. In Christ.
Get that down lower. Let him go under.
He's got you wrapped on me. Come on, go in the net. He's got you wrapped on me. I gotta unfuck this somehow.
Fucking pull it up.
He's just tying us up here.
Hold that.
Holding.
I lose this fish because this motherfucking net.
Here, let your... Fuck. Why didn't we... I know. That's my bad.
That was a fucking bad motherfucker.
Well, there's more. Well, guys, it is about 2 hours after we lost that fish. Rain moved in and kind of pushed us out of here. But we went, grabbed some pizza from my favorite little pizza joint down here in Wildwood, right here in Punta Gorda. It is quite literally like right over by that building. So quick little drive over. We hid from the rain, and we're back to drifting baits back out now. But but like I said in the intro, I was totally going to have a Guggen moment today and totally screw this up for all of us, so kind of called that. But Fred hasn't left me on the pier to fend for myself, so we're good for now. But hoping we get on another bite. We've got some pinfish, some shrimp underneath popping corks. A few more people have come out and started to fish. So, but what you guys missed right off camera for that break off was simply it was I turn around to grab my rod, Fred hooks up. I mean, he literally put it in the water, popping cork hit the water, went through the water surface, and then cobia. Like, it was instant. So we are sitting here waiting to see if something else hits. So yeah, the next cut scene will be you knowing what the hell happened. Yep. Cope. Pinfish. Same thing that happened to yours, only I think he ate it in his fucking stomach. He came out and swirled on it. Oh, hey, there's a hook in his mouth.
Take it out.
Just a hair. Cobia. Good old 26-inch fish. All right, guys, so for the giveaway, we made it to the end of the video. You guys are now finding out what the giveaway is. The giveaway is really cool. We're giving away a 4,000 size Shimano Nasi, completely spooled up, ready to fish. Thanks to Big Boys Bait and Tackle, we were able to access one of these hard to find Shimano products nowadays, but we were able to get it. So for the giveaway, here's what you, the viewer, has to do. Make sure you're following me on Instagram, following Big Boys Bait and Tackle on Instagram, following Coast to Coast Charters on Instagram. Once you follow us on all of that, you're going to go back to my post, comment 3 friends, let them know about the giveaway, and then you're going to hop back up over to YouTube and comment done. So that way I can double check everything, make sure we have everyone's usernames. So here on the 1st of June, we can end the giveaway. We're going to do a random name selector, and I'm going to do that live on Instagram. So there's no me picking favorites, nothing like that. Going to go ahead and do that live on Instagram. So make sure that you're following me so you get the notification. And then whoever is our lucky winner, if you guys are local, I will personally come drop it off to you. If you guys are maybe you're out of state or the other coast or anywhere, I'll make sure I can mail it over to you, make sure you're helped out, all of that. So, like I said, make sure you're following me, Big Boys Bait and Tackle, and Coast to Coast Charters on Instagram. The post will have all 3 of us tagged on Instagram. And make sure that you come over to the YouTube and let me know that you're done. So I make sure that you guys know you watched it here and got the proper instructions. The Instagram post will have the same instructions, probably the same video if you guys are watching this on Instagram. So, like I said, this video dropping right now, coming out tomorrow at noon. So today, afternoon, because it's the 18th, this is coming out the 19th. Make sure that you guys are following onto that. So, like I said, follow Big Boys, follow Coast to Coast Charters, follow myself on Instagram. Comment 3 people below, in the comments on the Instagram post, and then come on back to YouTube, which is linked in my bio, and comment done. All right. Best of luck, and to the winner, June 1st. I'll see you then.